Don't throw away used plastic bottles. Learn how to make a homemade chicken feeder using just one bottle. To start, we'll take a bottle. With a marker, we'll draw some circles on the bottle's hard bottom. Then, we'll take a hot soldering iron and form the circles in the plastic with the heat of the soldering iron. Finally, we'll make a hole at the bottom of the bottle, as shown on screen. Now we'll flip the bottle and near the cap, we'll make 2 holes on each side of the mouth. Next, we'll take a piece of straight galvanized wire, about 12 inches long. With the help of some pliers, we'll bend the wire on different sides until we form a rectangle. We'll take the 2 loose ends of the rectangle and place each in the holes we made at the bottle's mouth. These should look more or less like this. Next up, we'll use a plastic plate. We'll place it upside down and with a hot soldering iron, make a hole in the center of the plate. Next, we'll use a screw and twist it into the small hole we made. Then, we'll place the bottle on the plate, aligning the bottle's bottom hole over the screw's end. We screw on the bottle and tighten the screw so nothing is loosey. And with this, our chicken feeder will be ready. All that's left is to fill the bottle with your preferred feed and, when done filling, cap it. Every time the bird approaches and eats, food will automatically keep coming out, which helps you not worry about feeding the birds and makes the whole process automatic. The best part is, it works not just with chickens, but any other bird too.